Everybody and their mother is freaking out because Trump is trying to acquire Greenland. Well, maybe you're not freaking out, but the stock market definitely is. We just saw this massive gap down, about 2%, basically all in the pre-market before anybody could even open their brokerage accounts for the day. And let's talk about two things, just how rare this is and normally how things go after a signal like this. If we go back and look over the last 10 to 11 years of data and look at a price drop reversal, in other words, how does the S&P 500 usually perform after a massive price drop, let's say 2 standard deviations above its average? Let's see what usually happens. 57 total times we've seen a move as large as today over the past 10 years. Following this very rare move, we have a very high hit rate with a big blow up day during COVID, unsurprisingly. But it's not always about what has happened historically, it's about evaluating if this signal provides us any edge over the average trader, over a monkey throwing darts at a dartboard. And you can see here, there isn't any clear edge with this signal. So nobody really knows what's going to happen in the coming days. But if we do know one thing for certain, it's that the numbers are telling us there's no certainty at all. You can see that the risk profile isn't great either. In a bull market, this signal is a lot more favorable than it is in a bear market. In other words, if we're in a bear market, stay away when you see a big drawdown like we just saw today. Is this candle purely a short-term scare, or is this something to actually be concerned about? Is this a change in the aggressive uptrend? Good luck out there.